This video will show you how to set up NanoVG with DirectX 11 so that you can quickly make panels for the flight simulator and then just almost copy and paste them in. You only have to change the variables which will move the items around. So go to this link, it will be in the description as well. Click on Windows and this is going to download this exe file. You don't have to open it or do anything. We will just keep that there for a second. Now this link will also be in the description. At the bottom here, you can click the X11 port, and I might as well just put the DirectX 11 port in. You can clone this zip, or if you have Git installed on your computer, go to a directory you want this installed, click on the top there, type in cmd, type git clone and paste that link, and then it's going to clone that for you. Now that this is cloned, take this premake 4.lua file, press F2 or rename it to premake5.lua because we installed premake 5. Take that premake5.exe folder and just drag that in there, and we need to do a couple stuff. So you don't have to make a new folder. I'm going to go to my different bat file on how to run a premake file. So I'll just take this and copy it over here, and I'll show you what to do with this. So all you need to do is have Visual Studio installed at least, because you're going to be making the panels. So you can install Visual Studio 2017, 15, 19, it doesn't matter. But if you are going to install Visual Studio 2019, you copy this exactly like so. If you're using 2017, you just change that number to the year of the version that you are using. And then when that's done, all you have to do is run the bat file. It's going to build everything for you. So go into the build folder, open the solution, and now the D3, D11 one's automatically the default one, so you can literally just click run and it will run the default program. And there you have it, NanoVG is set up properly. You can look on source code on how all of this works and how everything like this works. And all we have to do now is you can go into the example file here, and then right here in between begin frame and end frame, you just take all this code, delete it, and you do draw client. And then at the top here, you make your own function called void draw client. And now you can draw. So if you want to draw a basic rectangle, you do nvg begin path. You pass any context. You give it the rectangle that you want to draw. So the context, the x and y will do 100, and we'll do 200, 200. Then you can fill the color with the context, and then nvg RGBA. And it's RGBA so that we use the chars. If you do RGBAF, then we use floats, and floats are not necessary in this case because you don't want a decimal number. So we can just make a nice blue color here, so 50, 120, 80, 255. And then you do NVG fill, pass in a context, and that will make a rectangle or a square on the screen depending on how you say that. Now you might see that the title's wrong. That's a Windows bug. I will quickly show you how to fix this. So you go all the way at the bottom, and here where NanoVG is, just put a capital L, and then you have the correct title. Could also right click this project, go to properties, go to C++, and code generation, or in general here somewhere is the character set, so under advanced, so in configuration properties, advanced. And here all you have to do is set this to multi-byte. And this should also theoretically work and fix that issue. As you can see, the title's fixed and you don't have the L, but you can keep the L in there, it does not matter. So that's how you set up NanoVG, and now all you have to do is just put all your code in here.